Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Advent of Code, day one. Yeah. Uh Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop me in Discord, let me know what you think about this problem. I am here in Buenos Aires right now, so these problems drop at about like 2 or 3 a.m. And I am just not gonna it's not happening for me to solve them live generally. Yeah, probably not. But I will try to do some reviews of these problems. I will try. So this is. Feel free to skip ahead or whatever. But the first part, I'm going to try to do it live. Haven't seen a problem before. I'll put. I mean, when I go to the other view, there'll be a timer, so you could kind of see how long it takes and stuff like that. And then after that, we'll go over my code, my thought process, and so forth. I'm going to try to speed run it, but not 100% like hardcore about it this year because just the timing and everything is just a little bit tough. But yeah, and one last thing before I start for today, yeah, is that I do have a leaderboard. I don't know how. Oh, okay. You can use this code to generate the leaderboard. So definitely, yeah, I'll put it on the comments if you want to join. Okay, so that's it. That's the preemptive things. Let's get. Let me get set up and then get started. Yeah, I mean, okay. So yeah, so I have the timer over there. Bottom is the what I'm looking at AOC, and then this is just my whatchamacallit, my console. I don't know why I'm struggling today. Hope everyone's having a great December so far and everything like that. Yeah. So this is how I set it up. I paste. I usually I have a script that has my credentials. That's why I'm not gonna show it. That basically just downloads it from like the static input file. I also put something in the paste bin, usually the small example inputs, and then I just run it. Why do I run it? Oh no! I don't want to run it. I want to Emacs it. There you go. Okay, so yeah, and that's how I usually solve. Sorry, this is day one issues. It's been a while. Okay, am I ready? Yes, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I pressed the wrong button already, so a few seconds behind. I clicked on this. I see the example input. So I don't have my mouse this year. That's what. So I put it in pasteboard. So it will download the thing, and then okay, now actually read the prompt. Wait, 20 seconds in. I'm very slow to this year. Oh, there's no leaderboard this year, right? I forgot. Anyway, okay. No global leaderboard, anyway. Alright, decorate a pro 1 star, okay. The password and save. The save has the dials at 0 to 99. It clicks, okay. Left or right, okay, makes sense. And then rotation is not when it clicks, okay. Okay. Start at 50 and then you get points. Okay. Analyze the rotation. What's actual? What is the password? The password is the number of times it's left pointing at. Okay. I mean, this seems pretty straightforward. Maybe more so if I had read it correctly. Okay. How do I want to? Oops. I actually don't. Usually every year I do like an whole year to practice, but this year I've been traveling too much, so I haven't been practicing at all with like my API and stuff that I have from previous year. So anyway, okay. So okay. Oh, that's why. Because I usually I put this in a thing so because I'm like all tapping back and forth, and I only have one screen. So yeah. Okay. So. Okay, right. 0 and count is going to 0 say, right? And then now, yeah, we could just simulate it. Why not? For Okay. Oops. D is equal to. Wait, will we go left? Okay, left is subtract. Okay. So far, I mean, I think this is just like a simulation thing, so it's a speed thing. So definitely, yeah, nothing algorithmically complex so far. Yeah, and the reason why I want to write it this way is because I don't know. I didn't want to think about it. I think there's 100, right? I thought I read it somewhere. Man, I am not reading correctly today. Okay. Okay, so yeah. And then that's it. Oh no. Right. And then now we can count. I still do things kind of old school. Okay, so things is 4. Oh, it starts at 50. Huh. Okay. Well, that changes things, but not that much. I imagine part 2 is a little bit more complicated, but okay. That's just really wrong. I forget how. I have like a lot of parameters, but I forget. I think it's one test only. Okay. So 82, 52, 0, 95. Does it have to stop at? Oh, it has to stop there. Is that it? Okay. I thought you could pass through. That's why I wrote it this way, actually, because it's easier. It's easier to write it this way if you have to pass through. I mean, it's also just like another if statement, but it was just okay. All right. Part 2. I do not remember this from Training Protocol. Yeah, okay, that's what okay, so this is the thing that I was going to say, but yeah, okay. The funny thing is that that's what I implemented first, right? Are the numbers big? I don't know. No, I mean, because it ran before, right? It finished running, so 6860. I guess this is day 1 stuff, right? So yeah, okay. Oh, I have to stop the timer. I mean, I'm definitely a little bit slower today. I mean, because I was just kind of hanging out and chilling. Not that. I mean, I don't know. Not still ramping up mentally. 5 minutes is okay. I actually didn't. Maybe I should. I don't know if there's like a split timer thing. Maybe I'll set it up tomorrow. I don't know. I just kind of put this hastily today. Oh, let me bring up the call. I mean, I don't think there's anything super interesting. I mean, I think the biggest thing is just play to your inputs, right? And maybe I'm not supposed to show this, but I think the biggest thing is that the numbers are not that big, right? I don't even see anything over 1,000. So as a result, then you can do this very quickly on most computers, right? If X or the number of rotations you can do is like 1 billion, then you have to do some, you know, not even that hard, just like if statements and mod math and division math. But yeah, I mean, I think this is day 1. They just kind of keep it, you know, straightforward and ramp it up a little bit still. So I'm happy to do that. I don't really I mean, yeah. I think it is a good upsell. I mean, in this case, well, part 1 is part 1. You probably should not have done a for loop. I was going to say upsell it by removing the for loop, but probably you should, you know, practice that. And part 2 is yeah, you could do it without a for loop, but you know, it's just easier to do and less error prone. And in theory, it's faster. Though I'm still a little bit slow on this one. But yeah, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll do all 12 days of Christmas, even if you know, some of them may be a little bit behind. Anyway, thanks for watching. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.